Hello guys, I am a profitable Forex trader. For the last year I earned more than 100% trading Forex. You can see the full statistic of all my trades for the last 2 years in my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Now I enter buy on the Euro-USD pair using MT4 and RoboForex broker, and all I need to do now is just to wait for a stop loss or take profit.
One eternity later.
What's the reason I enter buy here? First, we are in the discount zones on a 4-hour time frame. We mark the last high and last low, and in this way we can determine the discount and premium zones. In the discount zone we buy, and in the premium zone we sell. I enter the trade on a 15 minutes time frame. To determine the entry point, I use the collection of liquidity only during the trading sessions, London or New York. This is very important as I need a high liquidity. I don't want to sit in a trade for a long time. So, on the 15 minutes time frame during the London session after liquidity hit, I buy. Next, I just wait for my stop loss or take profit. Guys, the most important thing is to follow your trading rules and avoid emotional trading decision. Don't ignore it. It's all for today. See you in the next video.